Hello and welcome to this first video about the Carp programming language. Hopefully I will make a whole series of these videos showing more advanced concepts, but today I'm going to start very simple with a Hello World program, and I'll show how to compile and run it from the terminal. So here on my right I have a terminal window, and on the left is my text editor. I will start by creating a source file called lecture1.carp, and then I'll edit it in Emacs on the left. To write an executable Carp program, you need a main function, just like in C and many other languages. To create such a function, you start with the parentheses, and then you write the defn, and then the name of the function. So in this case, it's main. Then comes the argument list, which is empty in this case. And on a new line we put the body of the function, where we'll execute the call that will produce hello world. To make a function call, we use parentheses again and then type the name of the module with IO functions, then dot, and then the name of the printing function, which is print line. And after that we put the string with hello world and save. Now we go to the terminal window and we type carp to invoke the compiler and then load the file lecture1.carp. We add the X flag for execute and run it. And that's it, we're done.